Hello. Hello, everyone. Am I audible? A very good evening to all of you. Good evening, Rushali. Good evening, Kastav. Hi. A very good evening to all of you. So, how are you all? This is Swarnali, ma'am. Some people are still joining. Good evening, Shwati. Good evening, Anuja, Rajeshri, Lakshmi Priya. Hello, everyone. Smriti, hello. So, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Very good. Pragya Paramita. Fine. Very good. So let's see what are we going to learn today. Wait, let me share with you the screen. So what is our today's concept? Do you know? Topic is fine. How are you, ma'am? I'm also fine. Thank you. Some people are still joining. Yes. So our topic is today money. Money is very important, na? Whenever you go for shopping with your parents and you want to buy your favorite toys, chocolates, ice cream, you need what? Money to purchase. So at first, we'll see. So at first, what we'll see first some concepts of about money, the currency. Then we'll solve some questions from International Maths Olympiad, IMO questions. Okay. So let's see first. What is currency? Do you know what is currency? You know, the money is used in particular country is called its currency. Just like our currency is called, India's currency is, you all know now, is called, yes, rupees and paise. Rupees and paise. And you see, this is the symbol of rupees and paise is, we represent by P. Now I'm going to tell you that currency that I told you already that particular current country is currency. It's called currency. And so that means currency would be different. Now from different, whenever you go out of India, then we cannot use money. So we cannot use our rupees. Then what you have to do? We have to convert rupees into some other currency. For example, if you want to go for USA, then you know the currency of USA is? Yes, very good. It's dollar. Currency of USA is called dollar. And any other place, let's say Europe. Do you know the currency of Europe? Europe is called euro. And so these are all different. And the value of currency is also different. Dollars value, rupees is different, euro, all are different. So whenever we go outside of India, we have to convert rupees into other currency. Got it? Oh, wow. Very good. Dollar, euro, very good. Ma'am, please join us. You also already joined. You already joined, Kastav. So now we all know, yeah, yes, dollar, euro, very, very good. Now you all know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. So that means whenever, so 1 paisa is equal to, this is paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Now you can tell me 1 paisa is equal to what? What is the value? 1 by 100, 1 by 100, and that is 0.01. Okay, that is 0.01. So that means 2 paisa is equals to, 2 paisa is equals to, what we have to do? We will have to multiply it by 2, 0.01 into 2. So it would be rupees 0.02. Okay, it's 0.02. It's 0.02. Okay, got it? So now here is 38 rupees 50 paise. How to write it? 38 rupees 50 paise. We will write in this way, in rupee form, 30 rupees 38.50. In this way, okay? Rupees 38.50. Okay, 38.50. Very good. So now let's move on. Let's learn how to convert rupees into paise. It is so easy. For converting rupees into paise, we have to multiply the amount by 100 only. So that means 8 rupees is equal to 8 into 100. That is 800. 800 paise. Now you can tell me 9 rupees is equals to how much? 9 rupees is equal to 8 rupees is equals to 8 into 100. So 800 paise. Now you can tell me 900 rupees is equals to how much? Yes, 900. 9 into 100, 900. Very good. Very good is 900. So now rule number 2. Next, for converting rupees and paise into paise, we have to multiply the amount in rupees by 100 and add the number of paise. In this way, just like 25 rupees, 83, 83 paise. For that, we have to first multiply 25 by 100, okay, and we will add 83. So in this way, 25 into 100 is 2500 plus 83. So it's 2583 paise. Got it? So now you can tell me, if you have 35 rupees 42 paise, then you can tell me you have to convert it into paise. Okay? 35 rupees 42 paise. Just convert it into paise. 35 rupees 42 paise. Three five 42. Very good. It's 3542. Vishnupriya, Momita, Aradhya, Rushali, Shreen, Udaykar. Many answers I already got. Yes, is 3542 paise. Very good. So let's learn one more thing about rupees. Okay, let's convert rupees into. So here we have to convert paise into rupees. How? We have to put a dot after 2 digits from the right hand side of the number showing paise. Okay, just example here, 2634. 4-digit number 2634 paise. So for that, what we did here, you see, it's 26.34. So just what we have to do, 2634. After 4 and 3, the 2 digit from right hand side, you have to put a decimal or dot. It's 26.34 rupees. Okay. So now if you have 83 paise, how to write it in rupees? How to convert? You have to write in this way, 0.83. Okay, 0.83 rupees, 0.83. Fine, rupees 0.83. Now, if you have, can you tell me 42 paise? How to convert it into rupees? 42 paise. Kindly convert it into rupees. Yes, 0.42, 0.42 rupees. Very good, 0.42. So it would be rupees 0.42. Fine. Very good. Now if you have 8 paise, then how to write? Can you tell me? Very good. It's 0.42. The next question is, if you have 8 paise, how to convert it into in rupees? 8 paise. Very good. Very good. Nivedita, Shwati, Anjali, Nikhil, 0.8. Udaykar. Very good. Rajeshri, Smriti, Anjali, Rushali. It's 0.08. 0.08. I already told you na that we put a dot after 2 digits from the right hand side. Some said 0.8, but it's not right. It would be 0.08. Okay. We have to put a dot after 2 digits from the right hand side of the number showing paise. Okay. So 9 paise would be 0.09 rupee. Okay. So it's, yes, 0.08 and 9 paise would be 0.09. In this way, we have to convert. Fine. So let's move on. Do you have any questions? 0.08, 0.09. Very good. Okay, so let's solve some questions from money. So this is our first question and it's very easy question. So try to solve this question first. Which of the following is not a correct denomination of currency notes in India? We have 100 rupees note, 40 rupees note, 50 rupees note and none. So can you tell me which of the 4 option would be the right one? We know that. You all know the answer. क्या होगा बताओ जल्दी से. It's very easy. Yes. Many answers. Wow. So fast. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, yes. It's V. 40 rupees. We don't have any 40 rupees, na? 40 rupees note. Very good. So let's move on. Very good. It's B. 40 rupee note. So now let's move on. Let's solve the next question. Now question number 2. Calculate the total amount if there are. You see? And we have 4 options, which would be the right one that we have to find out. So try to solve this first. Vishnu Priya, very good. Kitanjali, Aradhya, Vinita, Shrishi, so many answers. Wow, it's B. 2000 plus 20 plus 10. So it's 2030. So answer would be B. B is the right one. Very good. Very good. Very good. So let's move on. Let's solve the next question. Now try to solve this question. Okay. Pratham has 100 note with him. Okay. Which of the following items he cannot buy? That we have to find out. वो क्या खरीद नहीं सकता? उसके पास 100 rupees note है. Okay. He has 100 rupee note with him. So which of the following items he cannot buy? That we have to find out. 4 ऑप्शंस में से कौन सा राइट होगा ये हमें निकालना है. चलो लेट्स ट्राई इट. It's visible. It's not visible. See, many answers I've already got. Yes, it is the right one. C would be the right one. You see, the first number is book and watch. Book is of 25 rupees and watch is of 65 rupees. So 25 plus 65. 25 plus 65 would be what? He can buy for this, na? One option A, 1 minute. Option A, option B, and option D. He can buy with 100 rupees. But it is here, you can see it's 17, it's 70 and 35. So 70 and 35 would be 105 and 105 is more than 100. So he needs 5 more. So he can't buy option C. So option C would be the right one. Okay, C is the right one. Very good, C is the right one. 105. So now let's move on. Let's solve one more question. C is the right one. Very good. Question number 4. Now let's read the question. Harsh got 6 notes. Okay. If he has 2000 rupees, which combination of notes does he have? 4 ऑप्शन में से कौन सा राइट है ये हमें निकालना है. ओके, 2000 rupees है. Which combination of notes does he have? So now you can tell me which would be the right one. 2 notes of 500, 2 notes of 200, 1 note of 100. Now the next is 3 notes of 500, 1 note of 100 and 2 notes of 200. So which would be the right one? It's so easy. Okay, we got so many answers. So let's check the answer. You see the option B here you can see is 3 notes of 500. That means 1500, 1 note of 100, 1500 plus 100 and so it's 1600, 2 notes of 200. So 1600 plus 400 would be 2000. So that means option B is the right one. It is visible, purely visible. Is option B is the right one. 3 notes of 500, 1 note of rupees 100 and 2 notes of 200. So it would be 2000. Okay, B is the right one. Very good. So let's move on. Now question number 5. Rian bought oranges for rupees 78 and paid 200 rupees to the fruit seller. Which of the following expression shows the amount of money left with him? It is also very easy. Chalo, bolo. Screen is not visible. It's visible, beta. All are giving answers. You can zoom it, please. So you can see. एकदम दिखाई दे रहा है. आप थोड़ा zoom कर लो, okay? C is the right answer. Yes, 200 minus 78 only. Because उसने 78 rupees दे दिया शॉपकीपर को. Sorry, 78 ही हुआ था उसका प्राइस and 200 rupees he give to the fruit seller. So he left 200 minus 78. So option would be C. 200 minus 78. Very good. C is the right one. Now question number 6. Trisha goes to a mall with, you can see, 12000 paise and saw following offer. Which of the following she can take so that no amount is left with her? We have car and necklace, necklace and parts, parts and car, and all the three he can purchase. So she can purchase. Try to solve this first. Yes, 12,000. Necklace and parts. Yes. What we have to do first? We have to convert it into rupees because it's which would be the right one? Car and necklace. So let's see the answer. Someone said A, someone said C, B, D, so many answers. So let's see, check it. You see, you can see Trisha goes to mall with 12,000 paise. That means we have to convert it into rupees. 12,000 paise means 120 rupees only. So she can purchase the things by 120 rupees only, and that is what you can see is card and necklace. 80 plus 40. 80 plus 40 would be 120. So she must buy this option, car and necklace. Okay, it's 80 and 40. So A would be the right one. A is the right one, not B, not C, not D. Just A is the right one. Car and necklace is 80 plus 40 is 120. Okay. So whenever you have these 12,000 type paise type questions, you have to convert it into rupees. पहले convert करना है rupees में, then we have to solve the question. It's so easy. In this way, we have to solve. Yes, A is the right one. Very good. So let's move on. Let's solve the next question. Question number 7. Okay. Is a team of 5 on a prize of rupees 7250 in a singing competition. What will be the share of each? That you have to find out. A team of 5, just like you, many prize rupees 7250 in a singing competition. What will be the share of each? क्या करना रहेगा? Try to solve this first, then I will show you the answer. Okay. A team of 5 own rupees 7250, 7,200, 50 in a singing competition. What will be the share? Just zoom it. It's not clear, then you can zoom it. Okay. So let's check the answer. What do we have to do? 5 own a prize of 7250. That means what? For each, क्या करना रहेगा? Just we have to divide only, और क्या? 7250 divided by 5. And which would be the right one? Let's do it mentally. 5, 7250 by 5. So you see 5, 14s are 70. So 72 minus 70 is 2, and we will bring down 5. So 25, then 5 5s are 25, and then we have to put 0 here. So 1450 would be the answer. Okay. So 1450 is the answer. So rupee, that means option A is the right one. Rupees 1450. Just doing the division only. Okay. Fine. Very good. All are saying A. 1450 is the answer. So now let's move on. So many answers. Chalo, next question. Next question here is, Deepak has rupees 85. How much money will be left with him if he buys 2 ice creams, 2 chocolates, 2 pen and 1 burger. Here you can see all the things are there and prices are giving. So you have to find out which would be the right one. The 4 option, which would be the right one. He has 85 rupees. How much money will be left with him if he buys 2 ice creams, 2 chocolates, 2 pen and 1 burger? Okay. So try to solve this first. Then I will show you the answer. So many answers. C. 45 C. So let's check the answer. He has, you see, 2 ice creams, 2 chocolates, 1 pen and 1 burger. So 2 ice cream means 10 rupees because 1 ice cream price is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. So now next is 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates means 1 chocolate price is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. Again 10 and 2 pens. Here is 7. 2 into 7 is 14 and 1 burger means 10 rupees. So it's 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 14. So it would be 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 14 is 44. So it is the answer. Okay. So now what we have to do? 44 is here. And he has 85 rupees. So that means what we have to do? We have to subtract only. So let's subtract 44 from 85 and it would be 41. So it is the answer. 41 is the answer. Here you can see is 41 is the answer. So 41 is the answer. C is the right one. Okay. C is the right one. Is 41 is the answer. Understood? It's so easy now. So whenever you got this type of question, what you have to do? First, just write down multiply and then addition. Okay. So C is the right one. Fine. 41. So let's move on. Let's move on. No, ma'am. Didn't understand. It's so easy. Okay. Once again for you. Just watch carefully. Okay. ध्यान से देखना है. You see, Deepak has 85 rupees. How much money will left with him? That we have to find out. So, if he buys 2 ice creams, 2 chocolates, 2 pen and 1 burger. So first what we have to do, you can see all the price as given. 1 ice cream ke price hai 5. That means 2 ice creams price would be 2 into 5 would be 10. Fine. Next is 2 chocolates. Here is given 5. 1 chocolate price is 5. That means 2 would be 2 into 5. So it's 10 again. Now 2 pens. What would be the price? 1 pen price is 7. That means 2 would be 2 into 7 is 14. And lastly 1 burger. So it's 10 rupees. Now let's add this all 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 14 and it would be 44. Now for how much money will be left with him? That means we have to subtract 44 from 85. That's all. So it would be 41. So this is the right answer. 41 rupees. Fine. So let's move on. Now question number 9. Try to solve this question. The cost of 5 bracelet is 6 to 5 rupees. The cost of pair of earrings is 3 by 5 of the cost of 1 bracelet. Find the total cost of 1 bracelet and 1 pair of earrings. That we have to find out. So try to solve this first. Then I will show you the method, how to solve the question. Okay? Ma'am, when the class will get over, I want to go somewhere. after 30 minutes. Then you will go, okay? Now try to solve this question. Question number 9. Try to solve this question. Can you solve this? All right, tell you the answer. The cost of 5 bracelets is 6 to 5. That means the cost of 1 bracelet would be, what we have to do? We have to divide 6 to 5 by 5 and it is 125. Okay, 125. Whenever we divide 6 to 5 by 5, we'll get 1 to 5. You see, 6 to 5 by 5. So is 1 to 5? Fine. Now, they are asking the cost of a pair of earring is 3/5 of the cost of 1 bracelet. 1 bracelet. That means cost of pair of earrings would be 125 into 3 by 5. Because they are saying key cost of pair of earring is 3/5 of cost of 1 bracelet. So, we have to multiply 3 by 5 by 125. Fine. And it is 3 into 25 is 75 rupees. Okay. So now, just next question, what we have to find out? हमें क्या करना है? Find the total cost of 1 bracelet and 1 pair of earrings. It's now so easy, na? Just we have to add 125 plus 75. That's all. 125 plus 75 is 200. So, see, this is the answer, is 200. Okay. So now, answer D is the right one, 200. Understood? D is the right one, 200. D, very good. It's 200. So, did you understand? If you have any doubt, you can tell me. Okay. Once more. Okay. Rinki Nath. Just okay for you, Rinki. Once again, just watch carefully. Okay, beta? You see, 5 bracelet के price 625 है. So whenever we have to find out price of 1 bracelet, हमें क्या करना रहेगा? Division. 5 bracelet के price 625 है. तो 1 bracelet का price क्या होगा? 625 by 5. And after division, we'll get 125. Okay? And अभी यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं? The cost of a pair of earrings is equals to 3/5 of a cost of 1 bracelet. Okay. And you already got the price of 1 bracelet is 125. So obviously we have to multiply 125 into 3 by 5 because they are saying the cost of pair of earrings is 3/5 of the cost of 1 bracelet. That means we have to multiply it. So it's 25 and 25 into 3 is 75. Fine. So now they are asking find the total cost of 1 bracelet and 1 pair of earrings. And for that we have to add only 125 plus 75 and it is 200. Okay. So hope you understood. Now let's move on. Let's solve the next question. Question number 10 is so easy. Try to solve this. It's very easy. 7 members of a family went to a picnic. Entry fee of one person was rupees 1250. What was the total money collected? Seven members of a family. My name is Sanvia. Hi, Sanvia. So now solve the question. 7 members of a family went to a picnic. Okay. Entry fee of one person was rupees 1250. What was the total money collected? We got so many answers. Now let's check the answers. Entry fee of one person is 1250. So total money would be 1250 into 7 and it is 8750. So is answer B is the right one, 8750. B, very good. Okay, so let's move on. Let's solve one more question. Very good. Okay. 1250 into 7. You have to multiply and multiplies. You see 70 into 0. Is 8750. Now let's move on. Option B is the right one. Now question number 11. Try to solve this. Okay. The sum of money with Anuj and Rishi is equal to the money with Reyansh. The total money with all of them is rupees 150. How much money is present with Reyansh? That we have to find out. Once again, let's read the question. The sum of money with Anuj and Rishi is equal to the money with Reyansh. So the total money with all of them is given is 150. So how much money is present with Reyansh? That we have to find out. Very good, Kasta. Many of you have given the answers. So let's check the answers. Aradhya, Rubisha, Rinki, Lakshmi Priya, Jasmine, Nivedita, Ritanjali, Anandita, Shwan, क्या नाम है इसका? Nivedita, Mummy and Smiley, Gitanjali. Many answers already you have already given. So let's check the answers. Okay. Sum of money of Anuj and Rishi is equals to money of Reyansh. That means 150 by 2 because total money I have already given is 150. So 150 by 2 is equals to 75. Yes, answer B is the right one. Very good. B is the right one. Not D. B is the right one. 75 is the right one. So now let's move on. Let's solve the next question. B is the right one. Very good. Now question number 12. Try to solve this. Okay. चलो ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है. Question number 12. 3 pencils plus 1 sharpener is equals to 16. 2 sharpener plus 2 eraser is equal to 14. Now 3 eraser is equals to 9. Then you have to find out the cost of 1 pencil. The cost of 1 pencil you have to find out. 5 is the answer. B. Okay. चलो चेक करते हैं. Let's check the answer. First, here you can see is 3. First, here is given 3 eraser is equals to 9 because we easily find out the value of eraser by this. 3 eraser is equals to 9. So, one value of 1 eraser would be 9 by 3 and that is 3. Now, the next equation here you can see is 2 sharpener plus 2 eraser is equals to 14. And we already got the value of eraser is 3. So, 3 into 2 is 6. So, we can easily write 2 sharpener plus 6 is equals to 14. Now, from this, we can find out 2 sharpener is equals to 14 minus 6 is 8. So, value of 1 sharpener would be 8 by 2 and it is 4. So, we got the value of 1 sharpener. Now, let's solve the next one. 3 pencils plus 3 pencils plus 1 sharpener. We got the value. It's 4. So, 3 pencils is equals to 16 minus 4. Because we already know it's 4 and it's 12. Okay. So, 12 by 3 is equals to 4. So, value of 1 pencil would be 4. That means answer A, option A is the right one. 4 is the right one. Okay. A is the right one. Do you have any questions? A is the right one. Very good. Very good. A is the right one. Did you understand? Just put the value. It is always whenever you have this type of questions, first find out, whenever you easily find out, here you can see now, 3 eraser. 3 eraser is equals to 9. And in all the equation, there are 2 subjects here. 2 eraser, 2 sharpener, pencils, eraser. But in this equation only, 3 eraser is equals to 9. So that means from this equation, we can easily find out the value of 1 eraser and then put the value in the other equations and we will solve the questions. Okay. Gitanjali Pradhan, my name is Omkareshwar. Okay, hi Omkareshwar, very good. You solved the question now. So now let's move on. Let's solve the next question. Question number 13. Many questions we are solving today. So let's solve one more question. Rishi exchange a 100 note, rupees 100 note for 3 10 notes, 12 5 notes and 4 2 rupees note. So, the remainder was exchanged for some 20 paise coins. How many 20 paise coins did he receive? That we have to find out. Bhumika Pradhan, ma'am, I have a doubt. Okay, what doubt? You can tell me, Bhumika. So try to solve this question. Rishi exchange this question. Try to solve this. Then I will tell you the answer. 12 number. Okay, Bhumika, I will tell you the after solving 1 or 2 questions, then at last I will tell you. Okay, Bhumika, once again I will explain the 12 number question for you. When the class is over, just 1 or 2 questions, then the class will over. Why? Is it boring? I am thinking that you are enjoying a lot because you people are still solving questions so fast. Just 2 questions. After 2 questions, we will finish the class. Okay. So try to solve these. Did you get your answer? Kar liya? 10. Chalo, let's see the answer then. You see, sum of value of nodes, that means here you see is 3 into 10. Once again, 3 into 10, 12 into 5 and 4 into 2. So it is 30 plus 60 and plus 8. So it would be 98. 30 plus 60 plus 8 is 98. Okay, fine. So now the remainder means it's 2 rupees. 100 minus 98 is 2 rupees. And 2 rupees. 2 rupees means 200 paise. But we have to exchange 20 paise coin. So what we have to do? Just we will divide to 200 by 20 and we'll get 10. So C is the right one. Very good. C is the right one. Answer is the C. C is the right one. 10. 200 by 20. So C is the right one. Okay. So one more question. Any doubt? It's so easy question. I think no doubts. So let's move on. Let's solve one more question. This is the last question. Okay. Then last question. Try to solve this one. And then the class will be over. And the students, do you have some doubts? Kindly ask me the doubts. Then I will solve the after this question. Okay. Chalo, question number 14 is very easy. Money question, solve karo isko, फिर the class will get over. Okay, beta, chalo, all the best. Try to solve this. It's so easy. Did you solve this? So now let's check the answer. It's so easy, na? The cost of an ice cream of rupees 25 and cost of one ball is 10. Then cost of 2 such ice cream and 3 such ball is P. So what's that? A is the right one. Very good. Chalo, check karte hai. If the cost of an ice cream is 25 and cost of one ball is 10, then 2 ice cream means 2 into 25. 25 into 2 is 50. And 3 balls is 3 into 10. So it's 30. So 50 plus 30 is 80. So we already got the value 80 of P. And you can see the other options here. P, there is not any 80 in value of P. So that means we got already our answer. A is the right one. Is 80 and 9. Okay. So 14 is A is the right one because here we got already P. Value of P is 80. So no need to do the next one. No need to do because there is only 80. एक ही जगह पे 80 है, बाकी सब 9, 70 different values है. So we already got the answer is A. No need to do the next one. Okay. So fine, it's A. Very good. You have done very good job. All of you. A big clap from my side. Many questions we have solved today. Question 14 questions. So many concepts we have learned. Hope you enjoyed all. So next day, what you will want to learn? You have any suggestions? So next day we'll do that thing. Which type of questions do you want to discuss? What type of questions? Yes, Bhumika, 12 number question for you. I will explain. Okay, bye, Aradhya, bye, all of you. Fraction already did. No, fraction. Okay, let's see which topic we will discuss. Factors and multiples. Okay, let's see. Okay, bye-bye. Chalo for Bhumika once again. All of you take care of yourself. Bye-bye for Bhumika. Let's see question number 12 for you. Watch carefully, Bhumika. Bye, all of you. Bye. Good night. Now, Bhumika, you can see that in the question, there are 3 pencils plus 1 sharpener. 3 pencils plus 1 sharpener is equals to 16. 2 sharpener plus 2 eraser is equals to 14. And 3 eraser is equals to 9. So, we have to find out value of 1 pencil. So, for that, what we have to do? Here you can see in this equation, from this equation, we can easily find out the value of 1 eraser because 3 eraser is equals to 9. So, value of 1 eraser would be what? Value of 1 eraser would be what? 9 by 3. Because 3 erasers is equal to 9. So, 1 eraser is equal to 9 by 3. So, that means eraser is 3. Okay. Now, the next one here, where we get eraser value, we can put, here you can see 2 sharpener, next equation, plus 2 eraser is equals to 14. So, here we can put the value of 1 eraser and that is already got with 3. So, 3 into 2, 2 into 3. So, it's 6. So, that means 2 sharpener is equals to plus 6 is equals to 14. So, 2 sharpener is equals to 14 minus 6. Okay. And it's 8. So, we can write it 2 sharpener plus 6 is equals to 14. So, 1 sharpener would be 8 by 2 and it's 4. Value of 1 sharpener is 4. So, now what we have to do? The last equation 3 pencil plus 1 sharpener is equals to 16. So, here we can put the value of 1 sharpener. So, 3 pencils plus 6 is equals to 16 minus 4 because 1 sharpener value is 4. So, 16 minus 4 is 12. So, now 3p is equals to 12. So, value of 1 pencil would be 12 by 3. So, it's 4. So, p is equals to 4. That's all. Okay. And here you can see option A is the right one. Fine. Hope you understood. Okay. So, bye-bye all of you. Take care. Good night. Bye. Bye, Bhumika. Bye, Anjali. Bye-bye.